Students, welcome to my channel. This is Sunil Naik. In last video, I have explained regarding how to find out the simple interest and how to find out the amount. In this video, I will explain how to find out the principal. So let's see the formula to find the principal first. After that, we will solve two examples so that you can understand easily. So before going to start that, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share to useful ones in this pandemic. Okay, students. Now let's see the formula to find the principal. So there are two formulas are there regarding the principal. First one is principal is equals to 100 into I or SI by R into T. Here, if you write first SI after that I, 100 means it is also no problem. Okay, 100 into simple interest by R into T. And one more formula is there, that is principal is equals to amount minus simple interest. Means in question when they have given amount and simple interest, and if they ask to find out principal, means this you have to do. This is very simple, and this type of questions they will ask rare, but this type we have to practice how to find out this principal when they have given R and T, rate of interest and time. So students, let's see the first example. So students, let us see first example. First, let us read and understand the question. What principal will yield rupees 120 as a simple interest at 6% per annum in 10 years? So students, see here they have given simple interest, they have given here, okay, and they have given rate of interest and they have given time. What we have to find out? We have to find out the principal. Okay, simple interest they have given, it's rupees 120, you can write, and R they have given, it is 6% per annum, and time also they have given, you can write time 10 years, time is 10 years they have given. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the principal. Okay students, to find out the principal, already I told you what is the formula. P is equals to 100 into SI by R into T. In PTR, which is not here, that we have to take here. P is gone here, so R and T remaining. Like this we have to remember. So students, after this we have to write 100 into how much SI? It's 120 by how much R? It's 6% and time is 10 years. Now next one is very important step that we have to simplify properly. So here this 0 and this 0 get cancels, and 6 1s are 6 2s you can cancel, it will make easy because both are there in same table. 6 1s are 6 2s are get cancels. Now how much remaining here? 100 into 2. So 100 2s are 200 rupees. So therefore principal is equals to 200 rupees. So this is the answer. Okay students, one more time I will explain. Here first we have to read the question properly and we have to understand. After that we have to write the given data, means whatever they have given in the question we have to write. So simple interest they have given 120 rupees, I have written here. Rate of interest 6%, I have written here. Time is 10 years, that I have written. And we have to find out the principal. To find out the principal, when they have given R, T and SI, when they have given these things, we can find the principal. So to find the principal, what is the formula? 100 into SI by R into T. So 100 into SI, simple interest 120, R in, and here R into T. R means this is 6 and T is 10. So I have cancelled here this 0 and this 0. Next 6 1s are 6 2s are cancels. Next we have to multiply 100 into 2. 100 into 2 we have multiplied here. 100 2s are 200. So I got the answer. How much principal? It is 200. Okay, students, let's see one more example. So let's see the second example. Let's read the question. What sum will yield rupees 900 as simple interest at 10% per annum in 6 years? So what sum yield means how much rupees we don't know. Okay, that much rupees it will yield 900 as a simple interest at 10% per annum in 6 years. So let's see what they have given. Right, first SI they have given. It's rupees 900 and rate of interest they have given. It's 10% per annum. Time as given. It's 6 years. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the principal. Okay, to find out the principal, what is the formula? It's 100 into SI by R into T. SI and I both are same. Okay, interest and simple interest. So don't get confused if they have given in question. Sometimes they may give only I also here. I and SI both are same. Now 100 into SI means how much they are given in question? 900 by R how much? 10%. Okay, and percentage, and time how much? 6 years. Now you can cancel 0 and 0. Okay, now in a 3 table you can cancel this one here. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, 0 3 30s are 90. Again you can cancel 2 1s are 2 15s are, or 2 1s are 2 50s are also we can cancel here. Now how much remaining here? Down nothing is there, upside, and in the numerator 50 and 30 are remaining. So if you multiply 50 into 30, how much you will get? 1500 rupees. So therefore last step we have to write, therefore principal is equals to rupees 1500. Okay students, I hope you all understood this one. Like this you can put some own questions. Okay, and then practice. If you understood all both these examples, just hit the like button and comment what you have understood or what you have not understood. You can comment me in comment box. Okay, thank you students. In the next video I will bring with how to find out the time. Okay students, thank you.